Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm going to be joining two videos in this one video today, and I hope you'll enjoy the whole experience. Anyway, this was the before of the sofa that we are going to be transforming. This was a two-seater, as you can see. It was a bit toned, old, but we are going to be restoring it into a new and more modern design. Anyway, we do transformation videos, makeover videos. Let's start this video. Anyway, the first thing that we normally do during this sofa transformation is stripping off, removing all the old fabrics, the old forms, and we remain with the skeleton. If we are going to be changing the design, we start by restructuring the frame and then starting from afresh, transforming the sofa. Anyway, if you like this kind of content that is transformation, makeovers, and making new items or DIYs, make sure to like the videos. Visit our channel because we have a variety of videos. You can just watch more of them, like, comment, and share with your friends. Also, you can consider subscribing to our YouTube channel All Things With Us, and that will really boost our channel. Thank you for 15,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate your continued support. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, we do many videos. You can visit our channel. We have a variety of videos whereby you can learn one or two from us. Also, you can reach out to us if you want such services. And if this is if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, and commenting on them. I appreciate you so much, and I appreciate your continued support. So this is the progress of us transforming and modifying this sofa. As you can see, now we are at the forming part whereby we wrap the frame with the forms, start doing the design, and then we come to put the fabric. That is designing with the fabric, the design that the client wanted. We are also going to be making two throw pillows for her and an ottoman. We are making an ottoman for her, and then I'm going to be showing you the final results. Make sure to tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole sofa transformation. We also do bed transformation. That is the main thing that we normally do in this channel because we deal with beds, but now we have just started transforming sofas. Anyway, enjoy the video. And this is the final results. As you can see, now the two-seater is a three-seater. It's a kind of L-shaped, but all this depends with the size of the sofa that you have and what you want, and the area or your space or the house that you live. You know, you work with what you have and where you live, because you can't put a bigger sofa or modify a sofa into a bigger one if your space is very small. Anyway, this is the final results. Tell me in the comment section. Now the second part of this video is showing you some clips on how we normally make new sofas, and I hope you'll enjoy the video also. Now this is the second video of this video today, whereby I'm going to be showing you some clips on how we normally make new sofas. So this is the structure, or this is the frame of the sofa that we are going to be making. You can see the structure, and we are going to be making a sofa out of it. The fabric was burnt orange, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. And again, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. I have many videos that I'm going to be starting uploading, so make sure to stay tuned to our channel, and I will definitely see you in my next videos. Bye bye for now.